Southern California. This storm system could obviously trigger some flash floods in Southern California. Right now, we go to meteorologist Mike Seidel. He's in Malibu. Mike, wind's an issue, rain is an issue, flash floods, landslides, debris flows, you name it, it's all on the table.
And certainly in the next few hours out here in Malibu in the LA County area, right on the PCH, the Pacific Coast Highway, let's pan off, and we are looking south towards Santa Monica, down the beach, which is completely underwater here. High tide was about an hour and a half ago, but look at these waves. The surf has really ramped up today. We were in here late yesterday, a lot of surfers in the water, paddle boarders. These have got to be 10 to 12, at least 12 footers, rolling into the rocks here at Duke's Restaurant on the PCH and crashing up here. Just a wild scene. You know, we show you this back east and on the Gulf Coast during tropical season, but this is really unusual out here to get this kind of rain and this kind of wind together, and everybody's talking about it. The good thing is it's going to probably eat away the rest of the exceptional extreme, those areas on the drought monitor here, because they haven't had as much rain as up in Northern California, although the Civic Center did have over 8 inches in January, and certainly that's good. There'll be snow in the mountains there, up there around Big Bear. Good ski weekend if you can get up there tomorrow, up there above about 5,000 or 6,000 feet. But then you got to worry about the negatives, the risk of debris flows and mudslides, especially in the burn areas. That's the concern. That was the statement in the flood advisory for LA County until 6:15. And these winds have been clocked upwards up in the Malibu Hills, about 1,500 feet, upwards of 58 miles an hour. Look at how the wind is whipping this tarp around. This is what's used when the sun is typically out here in sunny Southern California. And the fence here is just vibrating with the wind. We're going to hop down, and we want to get you out to the Pacific Coast Highway, the PCH, and show you what's going on. Now, I noticed there's an emergency vehicle over by the light. We're at the intersection of Las Flores and the PCH. This mountainside basically came down on the highway in 1998. That's why that concrete wall is there. That concrete wall up there, they put up there to handle any kind of erosion. See that concrete wall on the top of the hill? There were 2 houses up there. Now there's just one. And let's come on out here, Matt. We'll go over to the highway. Just horizontal rain, temperatures mid-50s. Not your Baywatch beach day here in Malibu. And I'm not sure what the emergency vehicle is doing. I think what they're doing, they're staking out Las Flores Canyon Road. This is the road that comes down from the Santa Monica Mountains, the Malibu Hills here. And these canyon roads are really spots that you shouldn't be driving on the rest of this afternoon and tonight because of the risk of debris flows and mudslides. So Mike and Maria, that's the scene here. We've got another couple of hours of this horizontal rain and wind, and then things will really ease off late tonight and tomorrow, just a few scattered showers. Back to you guys here in Atlanta.
Really rough evening there, Mike. Thanks so much for the report, and standing out there on the balcony really gives you a feel for how bad the winds are that go along with this.